Howdy. Thought I'd do a video here of me trying to split some wood. We've got a snowstorm that's supposed to be coming in tonight, so I wanted to get some splitting done. The wood that you'll see here, it's mostly some ash and some maple, I think. There was one of the farmers had taken down a tree line a few years back, and all the wood just kind of got smushed into a large pile. So I ended up using the tractor to pull a lot of it out. I had to use some chains and some grapples to move it. But hope you enjoy the video. So I'm swinging an X27 here. It tends to get stuck in the wood a lot. I do have an isocore from the Fiskars. My son currently has that. It probably would work a little bit better for this, but I do like how fast and easy it is to swing that X27, even if it does get stuck. Right there you can hear my wife in the background. She just got home from work and was checking on the chickens and the ducks. I'm not the best at identifying wood here, but I think this is maple. I'm not the one that cut the trees down, and they've been down for, well, that one might have been down for about 5 years or so. But I'm pretty sure it's maple. If somebody knows, please let me know. So you see me checking the axe head here in just a second. When I hit that log, it just didn't quite feel right, but one of the things I do love about the X27 is it feels pretty much indestructible. So I'm sure you can tell I'm breathing pretty hard by this point. I've got a little bit of asthma, and I'm obviously overweight. I still love to get out there to swing the axe, though. You'll see as time goes on, that axe just gets a little bit slower for me, but the more I do it, the better I get with it. So this little log that I'm grabbing here, it's not the easiest to see in the video, but there's just knots everywhere in it. Kind of figured it wasn't going to be the easiest to split, but it took just a few chops, and then it did finally split. Even with that first hit, you can tell that it did crack. Just takes a little bit more to get it all the way to go through. I'm sure a heavier maul would probably work a little bit better for it. One of the nice parts about some of the wood that I grabbed, even though I don't know how long it's been sitting there, it's been sitting there long enough where there are some decent cracks into there. And if you go ahead and line that up when you hit it, it tends to work pretty good. And sometimes when you split it like that, if it doesn't pop all the way apart, I like to just turn it around and then hit it from another side, and it'll usually come apart pretty easy. So you see in this next strike here, I was really trying to just hit the piece that was closest to me, but I went just a little bit too far, but I hit it hard enough where I was able to kind of pull everything apart. So I was pretty happy with that. So you can see at this point I'm a little bit gassed. I think I was out there for about 30 minutes or so splitting some wood. Again, wanted to get it done before the snow started flying and before the sun went down. So appreciate you watching it. Y'all have a good one.
spot there.